Now, the problem of this is baliktad ang date. Dili na siya date. Kung i-convert mo na siya, naka-numbers na siya. I-convert mo into, hindi siya ma-convert. Okay. So, buhaton, i-retype siya. Diri. So, example, kana 331, 21. So, kani siya ang date na karon kung ano kami mo. March 31. Then, copy na lang. Pareha naman natin diri. So, anin na lang. Para dali. Tanan nga March, ano lang sa March 31. Then, tanan nga Feb is Feb 27 ba na? 28. 2021. Then, tanan January 31. Then, mag-assign ng category diri. Pag-uman na. Tatay category 2 na lang. Naman ay ginabot ako unsa. So, anyway, kuan itong dati. Kung na itong kapihon. Lagi mo kong version 2 magudani. House account. So, itong version 1, kung ano itong kapihon. Kaya naman eh. Okay. Then, so, i-look up ko na siya. Na, pero sa ikas. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wala is 5. Okay. Ikapiho na lang siya. Look up. Pag kompleto ng category diri, copy ni mo ni siya. Sorry. Copy ni mo. Dira, then, para ibutan natin siya sa QuickBooks. Paste values lang. Then, highlight. Then, ato ka sa data. Ato ka sa may remove duplicates. Okay. Pag ma-remove ng duplicates, okay, remove na siya. Saka na ito ni siya ibutan sa Excel. Kung sa isa. Okay. So, matito sa chart of accounts. Please, chart of accounts. Okay. So, money siya. Sides, house account na pa sulod. So, first, ang chart of accounts is ang bank niya. 3170. Mag-create ang bank. 3170. New bank. Okay. Bank. 3170. So, kano siya. Then, second, katong kani, panulod diri. Dito. This is how na to ni siya sulod diri. So example, categorized assets, na ba yan categorized assets? Wala. Okay. Maybe this uncategorized assets instead ibutan na lang rin siya sa as my accountant. Kanino uncategorized. Okay, kailangan na siya. Ito. As my accountant. Kailangan na siya. As my accountant. Isa lang. Okay. Then after that, anak. So, karon Tagalog na ni siya. So, isa na meals and groceries. Pag na meals diri, ito na siya alistan o meals and groceries. Then, make sure nga kani siya, pareha siya diri ha. Kaniya. Sa kapiho ni gani siya. Para exactly maido gani siya diri. Okay. Sana save. Then, paday. Bawa this charitable contribution, gitry na pangita. Wala siya diri. So, we need ano siya, expense na, Okay. So, once you're done working with the chart of accounts, you go to ask the accountant, the accountant section, out of, then go to make batch, enter. Okay. At first, you need to make an entry for the beginning balance. This one, and it should be 4/1/21. And it must be the cash balance, the bank, then the opening, the stock, capital stock in here, then yeah, this beginning balance is, I computed this manually, like to make this I add this one. I'll try to see the formula. So I add this with this, so that this will be the next running balance once the bank account is deducted by this 4.34. And then this is my beginning. Bank balance. Okay, so once I do this, save, then go to the batch enter. First is you need to upload the debit. So exclude this blanks. Then copy all that here. So this is unahin natin check sa the debit. Check first. Then after that, second is itong description is to be okay. Make sure na kapareha ang dulo. Okay. Second is the account text. The account. Okay. Then amount. So how many? That's 414. Total of 414 and counting. Okay. Now try to scroll if there are reds on under the account so that you can fix it. There are no reds so far. Okay. Then save the transaction if there's none. Okay, so all the 414 transactions were successfully uploaded. Okay, next is the deposit. Then click this, accept this. Okay, so these are the deposits. Okay, so to make that, to upload that, here you have to choose the deposits. Then here, first the date, second the account, which is this one. Then the transaction description. Then the amount. So make sure ang dulo is bantayan. Okay. So you have the 10 sa dulo, which is good. Okay, 10. Okay, yun lang. Then save transactions. So how many transactions? 44. Confirm. Yes, 44. So that's it. Then after that, reconcile mo. Okay, ending ng pag-reconcile mo is 331. 331.21. Okay. You put the ending in here, from here. Okay, that's the ending balance. Should be this. Okay. Then continue. Okay. Mark it all. Okay. So you see there are no difference in here. So it means that's reconcile. So reconcile now. Go. Okay, if we generate the balance sheet from here, this should have what I mean, the ending balance should have the same. It's this one. The ending balance is what's going on. So make sure na, for instance, this one, if you put the end here, this one should be the same with this at the top. This is the ending balance that we are expecting. Okay, so that's it.